Hello students, today we are going to discuss the second numerical of activated sludge process. Charge is given as 500 meter cube per hour, which will be the value of Q. Okay, now the BOD5 of influent is given as 150 milligram per liter, which will be indicated by Y naught. Biomass concentration is given as 200 milligram per liter, it will be indicated by XT. Similarly, hydraulic retention time is 8 hours, MCRT is 240 hours. BOD5 of effluent is given as 10 milligram per liter. It means that BOD5 of effluent is YE is given as 10 milligram per liter. Now the volume of aeration tank is given as 4000 meter cube. Now we need to determine the F by M ratio and mass of solid wasted from the system in kg per day. Now before finding these two values, we need to write the given quantities. So we had written the given quantities as discharge equals to 500 meter cube per hour, Y naught will be equals to 150 milligram per liter, YE will be equals to 10 milligram per liter, HRT will be equals to 8 hours, MCRT will be equals to 240 hours, volume will be equals to 4000 meter cube, and XT will be equals to 2000 milligram per liter. Now we need to find the value of F by M ratio. Now F by M ratio is generally taken to be Q into Y naught minus YE upon XT into V. Okay, now we had the value of Q, Y naught, YE, XT and V. So we just put here the value of Q, that is 500 meter cube per hour. So we need to convert this value in liter per day. Okay, for the conversion of liter per day, we need to multiply here in 1 meter cube there will be 10 to the power 3 liter, and for the conversion of per hour into day we need to multiply here 24th. So this value will be converted into liter per day. Now Y naught minus Y, it will be equals to 150 minus 10, and its unit is milligram per liter. Okay, now the value of XT is given as 2000 milligram per liter. Now we don't need to convert this value. Okay, from milligram per liter to milligram per liter cancel out, and the value of volume is given as 4000 meter cube. Okay, now we need to convert this meter cube into liter, that is 10 to the power 3 liter. Now from liter to liter cancel out, from 10 to the power 10 to the power 3 cancel out, and if you solve this whole equation you will get the F by M value, which will be equals to 0.21 per day. So that will be the value of F by M on per day basis, that is 0.21 per day. Now we need to find the second parameter, that is the amount of or the mass of solid wasted from the system in kg per day. We had the value of MCRT, which will be equals to theta, so its formula will be equals to XT into V upon XE into Q minus QW plus XR into QW. Okay, now the value of XE is not given in the question. Okay, the value of XE is not given in the question, that's why we will take this parameter as 0. Now the value of theta is given in hours, so we need to convert this R into day. For the conversion of R into day, we need to multiply 1 by 24 here. So this value will be converted into day, that is 240 upon 24. Now XT will be given in 2000 milligram per liter. Now convert this value from milligram per liter into kg per liter, it will be equals to 10 to the power minus 6 kg per liter. Now what will be the value of volume here? It will be equals to 4000 meter cube. So we just convert this meter cube into liter, it will be equals to 4000 into 10 to the power 3 liter. Now from liter to liter cancel out. Now we need to divide this value by XR into QW. Now we need to find the value of XR into QW. Solve this equation, you will get the value of XR into QW in kg per day, which will be equals to 800 kg per day. That is the mass of solid wasted from the system in kg per day. Its value will be equals to 800 kg per day. That will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.